Hello guys, so we are on the broker again. Today I have a balance of $150 and it's from this amount we will accelerate our deposit today. Deals will open as usual on the 1 minute time frame, and our currency pairs with the most optimal movement on the charts and interest on payments I have already picked up as usual. Overall, so I have very interesting and very simple trend strategy. We have two principles of entering a trade. This is the opening on the trend or opening against the trend in a pullback or 2 or 3 candles. It will be approximately like this. In some moments we will use technical analysis. I'm going to explain it and talk about it, of course, to make it clear for everyone. And in general, today we have alligator zigzag. We have already selected these indicators, and absolutely the full settings we leave on these indicators when trading on the 1 minute time frame. We will not change anything, we leave everything as it is. We will not use oscillators today. Today we will stick exclusively to the trend. So let's start trading and pick our first currency pair. I think so.
If you want to see real success stories and learn how others are winning with binary options, subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram group. Links are in the description.
Let's open here. We are going to go with the trend basically up. I just think that the pullback should be present here. Here open in the pullback, and here we have technical analysis is also involved in our trade, and I will explain the principle now. We have broken the support area. This level has been broken, and then we have a new local low on the zigzag. So I'm just going to wait for a pullback. First, the price dynamics will go down, but I still think that one pullback should happen. There's a little less than 20 seconds left. Let's watch the result. And our first trade closed in plus. Just this is the pullback that I expected. We opened under the closing candle and we close the trade in plus without any problems. Okay, let's pick up the next currency pair and try to open a trade in the direction of the trend.
Crypto without stress. Get accurate trading signals and start earning today. Subscribe to our bot and take action.
Let's open down trade here. We see we have a local high formed on our zigzag. Let's highlight the working area. In fact, we have a trend from this local high started to go downward. Further, we saw a pullback in price, updating of the local maximum, and further crossing of the moving average. And that's why the deal is opening in the downside. Let's look at the result. We see that there's a more average crossover. Our jaw goes up, our lips go down. That indicates strong downward momentum. And when we see strong downward momentum, so we are going to open on the downside. It's obvious. Just 10 seconds left. Let's watch the result.
Get in-depth market reports and future forecasts directly on your phone. Join our Telegram channel for weekly updates and detailed analysis. Click the link in the description to join now and stay ahead of the market.
And our trade is closed again in the plus. It wasn't so difficult. The downward dynamics continued, so we have closed the trade in the plus. Absolutely correct entry. We'll try to pick up now a trade on the upside and open it, of course, on the trend to show you how the entry principle works on the upside. So let's start. Pick up the following currency pair. Here we open trade on the upside. We open on the trend after updating the local minimum on our zigzag. Not exactly a good entry point. Ideally, it would have been better to open in at this point, but in general, I think the dynamics should continue and a small pullback to the upside should take place. On the dynamics of the movement, we see that there is, at least for now, a crossover of the moving lines, but there's no clear crossover yet. That's why I decided to open a trade in this case on the upside. As you can see, we have a crossover now. 15 seconds left to complete the trade. And the next trade is also a class in the plus. In general, here's the same principle of opening on the trend up. That the main reference point should also look at the zigzag and its update. We see that after updating the local highs and lows, the price changed its direction and it was figuring on mid, and it's worth opening trade on these points. Okay, let's continue. We'll consolidate our material and open the next trade.
Don't forget to subscribe to my
Never miss a
Telegram channel
profitable
and
moment.
join my VIP
Real-time
group.
trading signals
It will make
right
your
in your
trading journey
Telegram.
much smoother
Let's
and
make money
boost your
together.
success. Just send me a message saying I want to join the VIP group.
Here we open in the price pullback. I think we'll work out the resistance area here. We see a good touch point. There was a breakout and the formation of a new local high is now occurring in a zigzag pattern. I think we should have a pullback as the upward momentum was very strong and the price is going to work off the resistance area here. Still we have to class in plus. Let's watch guys. And the trade closed in plus. Good. Everything happened just like I said. The resistance area was broken, a new local high was formed, an impulse move up and a corresponding pullback down. Here it was not so difficult to analyze this deal, despite the fact that the deal opened not quite a successful level. In general, till the deal we have closed in the plus. Let's change the value amount to 850. Let's put 858 and continue our trade. Let's open two trades for the amount of $848 each. Let's proceed. Let's open two trades here on the upside in the direction of the trend. We'll do that. Generally, very strong volatility is present today on every currency pair, on all charts. Actually, I don't like such dynamics of movement. It's very difficult to trade with such dynamics. On the trade, we see here that there's a crossing of the moving alligator open and the movement goes up. We have an area of resistance at touch point. In general, I think we'll have the price at this point. That's why we open trades in the direction of the trend. In general, with such volatility, of course, it's always better to open trades in the direction of the trend, so that there is some chance of correct closing of trades and fixing the profit. Nevertheless, our trades are closing again in the plus. Great. We already have more than $3,000 on the balance. Let's put $1,000 per trade and let's open 3 trades for 3,000. Here we go. I'm going to open the trades here on the downside. I'm going to open them again in the direction of the trend. It's clear we have here that dynamics in general has a downward character. We have in general on all the currency pairs here the downward dynamics was present. Earlier we had some small price pullback, but in general I think further downward movement should be. We have broken the upward level formed, it was not allowed to form. The movement went down, then the price pulled back. After which I think the dynamics of the most should go down. All the moving alligators are also wide upward, showing us a nice downward trend. Okay, let's watch for the end of the trades. 10 seconds. And our trades easily collapsing in the plus side. Okay, to consolidate the results, I suggest to open trades for $5,000. Despite the very strong volatility and unpredictability of the movement today, we have the right strategy, guys. So I think we can open trades even for this amount without any problems. Why not? Let's get started and pick the final our currency pair. Here again I will open trade on the downside in the direction of the downward dynamics. I think the price pullback should be over and we should go downwards, as I said. The area has been broken. The support area has also been formed. A new local minimum has been formed too. The price has rolled back, and I think after this rollback the price should go down. If you look at the nature of the movements, a similar pullback. Moreover, all the slides are also wide open and directed downward, telling us about the downward dynamics. Therefore, it's better to open always on the trend. That's why we open the final trends on the trade.
If you want to see real success stories and learn how others are winning with binary options, subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram group. Links are in the description.
And we have some deals went to zero. So see what's happening. I think it's better to finish on this result. We won't take any more risks. You can see where the price went, then it's corrected sharply. Very strong volatility, let's say, unpredictable. Overall, we still managed to make good profit. Good strategy equals good profit, guys. And let's take this result. I will rather fix than take more risks, because trading it's risks, and you should always be friend with your head. Okay, let's go to the conclusion. Choose a wallet. Amount will be 6,700. Okay, our operation is successfully executed. Honestly, I didn't risk it. I'm satisfied with today's trades, and I will stop there. Interesting trade we had today. Very easy strategy, but sometimes unpredictable, very strong impulsive movements on all charts, absolutely unpredictable. You can see what's happening with the candlesticks and in general. I think there's no need to go on, but thank you all for watching. Put your likes, write comments, don't forget about subscribe to my Telegram, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Good luck in trading, and bye bye guys.